Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn about Russian calligraphy. I'm joking, we're not gonna learn about Russian calligraphy. Today we're gonna learn about lettering. Well, Miss Paty, what is lettering and what is the difference between lettering and calligraphy? Well, both lettering and calligraphy are done by hand. You have to use your hand to create it. But as we already talked, calligraphy has to be created in a millimetrically way. So you have to measure all the letters, you have to create a pattern for your letters, so one letter will look more or less the same as the other, they would have the same elements. But lettering, no, lettering doesn't follow these rules. For example, if you're writing a word, and this word has two-letter T, for example. The two-letter T can be completely different. You don't have to create, you don't have to follow a rule to create the letters. And your letters, they don't have to be similar. So for example, if you draw letter A in a certain way, you don't have to use the same elements to create letter B or letter F, for example. They don't have to be related. Check these images over here. Lettering is created to be a one-time thing. It's not created to be repeated. So you get a paper, you write something, and then that's it. You don't need to write that same thing with that same style again. Different from calligraphy. Calligraphy, no. Calligraphy, you have to create an alphabet, and then every time you are going to write something using that style, you have to follow that alphabet. You have to look at the alphabet and then draw the letters. Today we are going to create a composition, but forgetting a little about calligraphy and emphasizing lettering. Look at these compositions. The artist over here used more than one style to write something. And that's what you are gonna do today. You are going to select a sentence, or it can be 3 words, and you are going to create a composition for these 3 words or sentence and write on a paper. But I want you to do these 3 words or this sentence in a different way. So, like the examples, that one word is different from the other. You are going to follow this idea. One word different from the other. Each word following a different style. So when you finish your composition, please upload in the Google Classroom, and I see you next class.